forgot that guy. Is it gonna rain? Turn my dog in. Jamming. A lot of shit in a few hours.
Cows can do that too.
Huh?
Cows can do that too.
What?
Take poop in an hour. I know, right? And so can horses. But they don't poop like cows or horses, do they? Yeah. You know, I went to the fair and
Do you have your shoes on?
no. Why?
I have to bring this on, but I didn't know, right?
But yeah, I went to the fair and then like the man told me to like get away because like the horse was gonna poop on my foot. And like yeah, it pooped on someone else's foot. Oh my god. Tired. So tired. Ceiling fan. Woo. I don't know. I'm bored. I did not go to school today. Well, I can't go to school because my grandmother took me out of school. And now I'm stuck here all day for like wait. 11. For like 6 hours. And then for the rest of the day, I stay here. For like another 6 hours. Then go to sleep. And then I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. Levi. No! Levi. No. Yep.
No?
Yep. Yep.
No.
Yes. Why are you messing with the noodles?
This is little.
Yes. What the poo?
Go down, Catherine. Go down.
Why was he in your room?
He's my dog now.
Oh. Did you rename him or is it just a still name? Trigger.
Well, I'm gonna stick with Trigger for right now. Levi, stop it. What the hell happened right here?
Oh, Theo Ray got mad because he thought he had, I think he thinks he has cancer or whatever. Because, tell Theo Jenica, she was the one who was telling him. She's outside, I think, yeah. I don't know.
Come on, Trigger.
No. Levi. Levi. Okay. Bye. I'm so tired. Bye-bye.